Hello everybody and welcome to Modular Environment Creation for Production. My name is Darko Mitev, and in this tutorial what I'm hoping to teach you guys is what it takes to create a complicated environment like this. In this project we'll be looking at a lot of things, so I'm going to try to go as in depth as possible, but I'm not going to be able to go and show you how I created every asset, because that will probably take forever and would not be that useful. Instead, what I'm trying to get is to leave you guys with all the workflows and the tools that I use, and show you my methods and the tricks to be able to accomplish something like this in a relatively short amount of time. So I hope you like it, and I'll see you guys in the first chapter.